My name is Sylwia. I'm an interior designer right in the store. It was probably when I started. The first day coming to this company, and having like first day talking about the values felt like home. It was just nice. It was just nice. I felt like I totally kind of fit in because of the values of the company. So I started in 2017 as a visual merchandiser. Loved the job. It was great. Then became visual specialist. Love the job again. And now I'm interior designer and love as well as all of the two before. So here I am. I think everybody knows here it's IKEA. Okay, I have it. Okay. The product that everybody should own, I believe, it's Billy. I would say culture, IKEA culture. It's a great company to work for, and what they stand for, and how they operate. I would say that. That's a hard question. So many things. Okay, I'm gonna sound like a broken record, but I do like what I like to do, interior designing. That I think I do love people here. One of the opportunity with IKEA, and you mentioned something about being mobile, like I go everywhere, it's supporting stores. Like if there are projects or I went to Virginia store, I went to Baltimore, so that's really was benefits as well too. Not even just to go and travel, but going to different store and seeing how they working and see some parts that what they are doing, what I can bring back to our store or share the best practice with them. It was definitely a cool part, and as well just making friends, a lot of friends.